How to future-proof your career and mindset. What if the job you're working so hard for won't even exist in a few years? What if the skills that make you valuable today become average tomorrow? And what if the real danger of AI isn't just losing your job, but losing your confidence, your direction, and your sense of self? That's what a lot of people are feeling right now. AI anxiety. That quiet fear that asks, am I falling behind? Will I still matter? What if I can't keep up? But this video isn't about panic. It's about how to stay relevant, mentally strong, and professionally valuable in a world that keeps changing faster than most people can process. People are not just afraid of technology. They're afraid of what technology changes about them. For years, we were told, work hard, build skills, get experience, become valuable, stay safe. But AI disrupts that story, because suddenly, things that used to take hours can now be done in minutes. So the fear is real. And for many people, this goes deeper than work. It hits identity. If you've always been the smart one, the creative one, the productive one, then watching AI do parts of your work in seconds can feel deeply unsettling. That's why this is not just a productivity conversation, it's a mindset conversation too. The biggest mistake people make is asking, how do I compete with AI? A better question is, how do I become more valuable in a world where AI exists? Because technology doesn't just destroy value, it shifts it. As AI makes basic output cheaper, other skills become more valuable. Judgment, communication, adaptability, creativity, emotional intelligence, trust, decision-making, and strategy. The more predictable your work is, the easier it is to automate. The more human depth your work requires, the safer you are. Tasks get automated. Outcomes still need humans. You do not future-proof yourself by panicking and trying to learn every AI tool at once. You future-proof yourself by building durable value. Learn to use AI well. AI should amplify your ability, not replace your judgment. The safest people are not just doers, they are thinkers, strategists, decision-makers. The more you understand why something matters, not just how to do it, the harder you are to replace. In a world full of AI-generated content, clear communication becomes even more valuable. That is a serious advantage. AI can give you 10 options, but it can't always tell you which one is right. You don't need to be famous, but you do need to be clear. Because many people are not failing from lack of skill, they're failing from overwhelm. Stop tying your worth to your current role. A stronger identity is this: I can learn, I can adapt, I can rebuild. That mindset is more future-proof than any single skill. Change feels scary, but scary does not always mean hopeless. Sometimes it means transition. A lot of AI anxiety is made worse by constant headlines and panic content. That kind of content destroys clarity. Protect your focus. Choose better inputs. You do not need to adapt perfectly. You need to adapt consistently. AI will change a lot. Some roles will shrink. Some skills will lose value. Some industries will look completely different. But value is not disappearing. It's moving. And the people who do best in this era won't be the ones who panic the least. They'll be the ones who learn the tools, strengthen human skills, protect their clarity, and stay useful while the world changes. Because the goal isn't to beat AI. The goal is to become someone AI can't easily replace.